Welcome back to Fanopy Growth. I'm your host Jacob, and today we're going to be going over some news from Canopy Growth. So since we last spoke, so it's been I think since January 21st was the last video that we did here. So one of the big things that have happened since our last video is Canopy and Martha Stewart have announced the launch of a new line of CBD products for pets, for dogs, and this was a really beautiful news that we got, and to see the offering for animals. So we know that Americans love dogs, and not even just Americans, but people all over the world um, mostly should love dogs. And if you want to take care of them and give them good things that are going to extend their life expectancy, or maybe even make them feel better or less anxious and have more mobility, these are good products to use. So Canopy Growth is entering the market here. Hopefully, it's a big market. So we have been rising up since the last video that we did. You can look over, the time of what's going on here. So steadily rising here. So everyone that has gotten in so far, congratulations. Let's see what else we can do here. Alright, so we look here. Let's just look at the price from last month. January 4th, we were at 26.64. We're right around the $45 mark. So this is wonderful for all the shareholders. I know it's been some time since we spoke last. We've been having a lot of price action here going on. But this is beautiful. If you look at this, so this is a 5-year mark. So this is the same area we were in back in, with the hype from the money infusions and the Canadian legalization. So it looks like we're forming a cup here. Just you can see that, we've been marching back up. I think that this is actually more than a cup, because back all this action was hype. Now we have some good speaking about it in the Senate, and with Chuck Schumer, and with, the different developments there. We're going to keep an eye on that. So then we also have, let's see, Canopy Growth, maybe report negative earnings. So people are throwing hit pieces, you know, stuff like this. They think that, will we report negative earnings, so they want you to sell your shares, basically. And let's see what else. This was a big announcement that was recently here. This happened. So, marijuana stocks rally as Jazz Pharma agrees to buy CBD maker. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer backs cannabis reform. So, let's take a look at this article here. Marijuana stocks rally. Alright, so it's going to acquire, so Jazz Pharmaceuticals is going to acquire GW Pharmaceuticals. So I think they actually have a lawsuit with Canopy, so we'll see how that kind of plays out. But um, send some money our way, maybe. The $7.2 billion deal was announced after Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Cory Booker and Roy Wyden this week said they'd make cannabis reform a priority this year. So look at that. They jumped 45% in the market. Wow. See, I wasn't that in tune to it. I'm actually really focused on Canopy and but this was big news here. So, They're gonna acquire GW Pharma for $220 per American Depository share, with 200 in cash and 20 in stock, Jazz stock. It's a premium around 50% over the closing price of GWPH stock on Tuesday. Companies expect to close the deal in the second quarter. GW Pharma makes the drug Epidiolex derived from CBD. Yep, so they have a drug. The FDA in 2018 approved the medication to treat rare forms of epilepsy, making it the agency's first approval for a cannabis-derived drug. Amazing, amazing strides there. Congrats there to the Bulls for GW Pharma. Well, Canopy. We want to mimic those type of moves, but actually expound on that. We'd like to go higher as well. So whatever we can do to make that happen, I'm sure that the management is trying to make that happen now. So that's wonderful. Hopefully we get some good follow through tomorrow in the market with, stuff like that. But, you know, let's just see what else we got here to talk about here as far as canopy growth. So, we've been having a lot of action going on. Lots of action. I'm going to check on this video, make sure we're still okay. We're still going good. Um, so let's just see here what else we can talk about. So, this is the new thing. As you can see, Martha getting in, bringing her expertise in, you know, that's wonderful. We love to see Martha, you know, in the market and talking on camera as well. There was a wonderful video where she talked about it. You can Google or actually search on YouTube Martha Stewart Canopy Growth, and that was an awesome video. Let's see if we can check this out. Yeah. Martha is looking, you know, she she got royalty type of art behind her and mirrors. Street cred. They see that Martha, she's an OG. Street cred, yeah. Of course. Look at her promoting, promoting, promoting. Unnecessary. Okay. Yeah, so basically, she goes over that. So that's awesome, that they got that going on. So we got earnings coming up, guys. We got earnings coming up. So what's gonna happen, huh? Anybody know what's gonna happen during earnings? I wonder. I wonder what's gonna happen during earnings. Let's see. This guy thinks that they're gonna be maybe negative. We'll see what's gonna be. You know, look since August. Uh, here since August. Ooh, 160%. So yep. Everybody's working hard. Everybody's working hard trying to, you know, do the best they can. I think that, Canopy, hopefully we can, beat these expectations as well, now that we have some good framework. We got Martha. Martha is a big, big, big driver here. Hopefully some of the earnings from Martha will show up in this new earnings report as well, and that people can see maybe some of the size of the market that they're working with here. But yeah, but it's been an amazing ride. We're still riding and still rocking and rolling. And last couple weeks and month, it's been heating up, guys. So make sure that you are keeping an eye on everything. But don't be afraid to believe in canopy growth. Okay, so everybody here, hopefully you can make some money. If you got in since August, you've been making money. So congratulations to the bulls, and hopefully Canopy can keep on rising up. So today is, let's see, what is today? Today is February 3rd, 2021. February 3rd. So so we got a good month coming up, hopefully of February, and let's keep on raising this guy up so that Constellation Brands can get their strike price. Let's get them up to, let's make them want to do it. Let's get them up to 60 or 70 per share. Within the next month. That'd be great. So the sky's the limit, and everything is looking up for us. So congrats everybody, and check us back out here again soon here at Fanopy Growth. All right, take care.